Alrighty, so what I want to do is show everybody how to use the iPad apps as well too. If you can't get to a desktop computer, I personally think it's easier on a desktop. But if you can't, you can use one of the 4 iPads we have in the offices. In the office, the iPads are different than the desktops in that they work on apps, and it's not a program put onto the network. So you can see the screen that I have up right now. You can see all the Chiro Touch apps down at the bottom. You see CTM Provider, Scheduler, Sign In, Intake, and Outcomes. To schedule a person or to look at the schedule, you want to be using the CTM Scheduler. So I'm going to click in here, and what we're going to do on this particular one is we're going to go back into here, and we have an appointment scheduled for Jason Voorhees. Jason is scheduled on Friday, December 27th. It looks like he has a massage and an adjustment both scheduled at 11. So he's scheduled from 11 to 12 for an hour with Ann, and then he's also scheduled with Dr. Jared. It looks like at 10:30 and 11. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go take this 10:30 one out because I think that's a mistake. We're going to edit that, and we are going to simply, oh, that one's already canceled. I was messing around. All right, so what happened now is Jason's going to call, and he needs to reschedule his appointments on Friday. It looks like he has an 11 a.m. with Ann and an 11 with Jared. So again, we have to do them both. So what we're going to do for ease, we're going to click on his massage appointment. And what he needs to do is he needs to move it to a different day. So we're going to click Edit. And remember, it's easiest if we just cancel these for purposes of our office. So we're going to get into this appointment, and what we're going to do is we're going to click Cancel. It's going to pop up and ask if we're sure. Yes, we're sure. So his reason for canceling is he couldn't find a ride. I think he secretly has something else going on, but that's the excuse he gave us, is he couldn't find a ride. Tricky little thing here. If you look at the screen now, it says OK, custom reason, or cancel. We're canceling the appointment, but don't get confused. We want to click OK to confirm. So we went ahead and we canceled that. Okay. Now what we also have to do is we also have to go in and we have to take this appointment out with Dr. Jared. So we're going to go in and we're going to do the same thing. And we're going to remove that appointment with Dr. Jared. So again, the easiest thing to do is to click Cancel. Okay. Are you sure you want to? Yes. And our reason for doing that is he couldn't find a ride. We're going to click OK. And success, it's all done. So you'll see here now under Ann's, it says canceled. So if we click on that, you can see that the appointment's canceled there in red. So we'll get that. And then you can see that one's canceled as well. All right, now what he wants to do is he wants to actually reschedule for Monday. Jared's out Monday, but Ann happens to be in. So we're able to get him an appointment with Ann as well as Dr. Kevin, since Jared's out. So what we're going to do is we're going to schedule him right over here with Kevin. All you got to do is click New Patient, New Appointment, I mean, on the top right. Let me go back and show you that one more time. New Patient, it's right over here on the top right. Choose the patient. We're going to get Jason, like that. Okay, and we're going to click Select Patient right here at the bottom. He's going to be with Dr. Kevin, so we need to change that. And he's going to do chiropractic, and he's going to do that appointment at 10:30. So we type in the time, click OK, click Create Appointment. Good. Now when we look at the schedule, he's scheduled with Dr. Kevin at 10:30. Now we're going to go over to Ann at 11. He's going to do an hour with Ann. So what we're going to do is we're going to click New Appointment again, choose Patient, and that's going to be Jason. Good. Select Patient, and he's going to be with Ann on this one, and we're going to click Ann, and he's going to do a 60-minute massage, and we got to make sure we get the time. That massage is going to be at 11 o'clock. Click OK, Create Appointment. So now when we look at the schedule, we have Jason scheduled for Dr. Kevin at 10:30 and Ann at 11.